have come to the realization that I can never take a break from YouTube again. And let me tell you why. Before we get started, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on YouTube, I am a budgeting YouTuber. I do videos on budgeting, saving money, paying off debt, and just the whole lifestyle of managing money and your finances and all that good stuff. I took a break from YouTube. I really haven't posted that. I don't think I've posted a video at all this year. I think it may be one or two, but I really haven't posted. Today is April the 21st, and this is my first video of the year. I've been on YouTube for about 2 years, or probably a little bit over 2 years, that I have been successfully uploading content. And you guys, that break, I was breaking, okay? So let's talk about the first reason why I cannot take a break from YouTube again. The very first reason is because of the reason why I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel in hopes to inspire someone who is on a budgeting journey, who's learning how to budget. I wanted to share my journey with the world and possibly to be able to impact another single mom and her family. When I first started YouTube, I didn't see a lot of people like me. And when I say that, I don't necessarily mean like black women. What I mean is single black women. I saw a lot of people who had multiple incomes, or double incomes rather, because they were married, or they live with their parents, or they receive child support and all that good stuff. So that wasn't my story. I didn't see anyone like me. And who's someone like me? A single mother who didn't receive child support, single period. I had one income only, and I live in one of the most expensive cities in the United States. So I didn't see that on YouTube, and so I wanted to share my journey. And so if I showed up on YouTube for that very reason, if I'm not on YouTube, how can I share my journey? And I really enjoy it. I enjoy the process. I enjoy making YouTube videos. I enjoy being a content creator, because not only am I here on YouTube, but I'm also on Instagram and newly on TikTok. Follow me there. And so in order for me to continue to share an impact, I have to upload content. And I get so much feedback about how this content is needed and how people really want it. I mean, I cannot tell you guys how many DMs and messages I get from people saying, hey, we need you back in on this platform. And I need you guys too, because that brings me to the next reason why I can no longer take a break from YouTube, because you guys hold me accountable. Like, me uploading content holds me accountable to budgeting, saving, paying off debt. I was doing so good when I was back on the platform and I was paying off my debt and paying off past due bills. Oh my God, you guys, I was doing amazing. And then your girl fell again. And so I will definitely say it definitely is good for me. It holds me accountable to be able to stay on track with the goals that I have financially. And I have to show up for you guys and do that. And so it holds me accountable. It holds other people accountable. And we are a community here, and we are encouraging one another. And let me just say this. You guys are just amazing. I had uploaded a story I think a week ago or two ago, and I talked about feeling ashamed coming back because I had fell off again, and I was embarrassed, and I've been really scared to get in front of the camera, honestly, and to talk about, you know, coming back or whatnot. And the encouragement that I got was just crazy, okay? Crazy in my DMs, and then also here on YouTube, that everybody has just been sharing, like, it is difficult, it's hard. I mean, we are in a recession, things happen, life happens, and we just, you know. And so I definitely want to say thank you guys for encouraging me. I'm still a little nervous, right? about getting back in front of the camera and talking about this again. And then the third reason why is because it gives me extra income. Being a YouTuber, I earn extra income from AdSense, and then I also earn extra income through selling products, and then also through something that I do want to get into, like brand partnerships and things like that. So you can earn extra money on this platform. So why not upload in my spare time? I mean, I need extra money, and we will be getting into that, guys, like my new budget and where I am and all that good stuff. Look at my hair, y'all. It's just all over the place. We will be getting into that, but I definitely need an additional mini streams of income, okay? Because you guys, when I update you, you're gonna be like, what? And for the new people who are here, if this is your story, and I hope that it does resonate with you, please make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. But I just wanted to come on really quick and just kind of talk to you guys and let you know why I don't want to take a break again from YouTube. I really do enjoy this platform. I enjoy making content. It was just, you know, for those people who have been here kind of from the beginning, it's just been a lot. Like, I have family living with me. You know, I have some things going on with my child, who's an adult, mind you. I, you know, just kind of felt life was lifing, okay? And so that caused me to fall off of my journey again. And, you know, not being in a good mental space can really mess some things up for you financially, emotionally, and all the different things that we go through. And so it had me fall off again, but now I'm at a point where I really have to get it together for multiple reasons. So that is kind of an update. You know, it was just a lot that was happening. I mean, I wasn't depressed, but I wasn't excited about hopping in front of the camera either. I was sharing my office space, and my office space is not that big. I will be doing an office makeover. It's not big at all. And, you know, I work from home, so it was a lot mentally, okay? So anyway, I'm back. I'm excited to be back. I hope that you guys subscribe to the channel. Go back and check out some videos if you are not new and you haven't checked out my videos before, just to kind of learn who I am and my style of budgeting. I'm a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. I'm a zero-based budgeter for the most part, but there are definitely going to be some changes in my budget coming up this year, or the rest of this year, because my finances have changed. My bills have changed. Y'all, let me drop this nugget. My mortgage has increased by $1,000 because of taxes and things like that. So, you know, your girl got a lot going on. But anyway, thank you guys for checking out this video. Make sure you check out my last videos and how I save money and all that good stuff. But thank you guys so much for tuning in this video, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.